Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore how to create a realistic atmospheric effect to add depth and emotion to your scenes. This technique is particularly useful in situations where light sources need to interact with their surroundings. Let's take a look at this example. As you can see, I've added a rotating light, but it's not visible because there's nothing for the light to bounce off. To fix this, we can use the volume scatter node to create a misty environment that makes the light visible and enhances the overall mood of the scene.